Good morning, yeah. When you have spent time with yourself, today I just thought that to spend the time with myself. So, I went to the Gurdwara Sahib, which is close by, and then they have that seva. Even outside, they have the pakodi and cha, and then I just got some tea. And it is a little bit outside of the Gurdwara. There's a space to sit. So I thought I'm going to sit there and enjoy my tea. This is a kind of special tea for me today. Because I'm having some spiritual time with myself, and just to see myself, that where I am, what I'm doing, and what is happening, and kind of examining my health and spiritual health, mental health, social health. I'm going to spend some time with me, and I'm going to enjoy this tea. I have this tea with me, and I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to spend some time with me. And it's important to have time spent with you. We always focus on other people's life, and we forget ourselves. We are the most important person here on earth for us. And our life is so rewarding and all that. We should appreciate ourselves. That we did good. We did good. Everybody has a little bit rough and tough time, but with God's help, we all get through it, and we should kind of look back into it and see what we did good and where we stumbled and what we can do better next time. And enjoying the views, enjoying my tea. Yeah, the people are coming to the Gurdwara. There's lots of people. Yeah, in this Gurdwara, there's a kind of great parking trouble. People are kind of looking for the parking. Where I come little early, so that I park my car. This is a nice new development here. And then they build a store in the front of that too, which is kind of good. They are kind of building more and more, lots of more development here, because we need them. We need them. Look at the truck. There's a big truck there. Yeah, and then people come to the Gurdwara Sahib here a lot, because some people, the seniors come to the Gurdwara, and even the younger people come to the Gurdwara, and lots of students in these days come to the Gurdwara Sahib. They do seva, and they come for the moral support, and which is good, because they're kind of lonely, and they kind of want some social, some religious, some spiritual advice. So, I'm spending my time with myself, which is good. And I love myself, appreciate myself. I did good in life, and yeah, and just appreciate yourself, appreciate God, appreciate the life. Life is short. Love it, and make the best of it. Thank you.